is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball, that bounces on your feet. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for duck, who quacks all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who jumps all day. G is for goat, with a little beard. H is for hat, that looks so weird. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a tasty bite. K is for kite, that flies so high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for moon, that glows at night. N is for nose, that smells just right. O is for owl, who says hoo-hoo. P is for penguin in the zoo. Q is for queen, with a golden crown. R is for rabbit, who hops around. S is for sun, warm and bright. T is for turtle, slow and light. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for van, that drives in lanes. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for x-ray, peek right through. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes of brown. Now we know our ABCs. Sing again and dance with me.